Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with eTrade step by step clearly. Open your eTrade account and log in using your credentials. Navigate to the main dashboard where you can view your portfolio and account activity. Click on the Accounts tab to access your financial information. Select Budgets from the drop-down menu to begin the budgeting process. Review the available budgeting tools to understand their features. Choose Create a new budget to set up your personalized budget plan. Input your monthly income, including salary and any additional revenue streams. Categorize your expenses by defining fixed and variable costs. Allocate a budget for each category, ensuring your total expenses do not exceed your income. Set realistic savings goals within your budget to foster financial growth. Use the Trends feature to analyze your spending patterns over time. Review past transactions to identify any areas where you can cut back. Adjust your budget categories as needed to capture unexpected expenses. Set reminders for bill payments to avoid late fees. Monitor your budget regularly through the app to stay on track. Consider adjusting your budget monthly to better reflect your changing financial situation. Utilize eTrade's educational resources to enhance your budgeting knowledge. Engage with the community forums for tips and shared experiences. Stay disciplined and committed to following your budget for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.